My name is Marrium Siddiqui. I'm an infectious disease physician with Franciscan Physician Network. Infectious disease is a field where we deal with people getting sick with, bacteria, viruses, fungus. An infection can present in many types of ways. There's a wide variety of ways that that an infection can show up. And my job is to figure out, what type of infection they have with what type of organism and what is the best way to treat that infection and for how long do we treat those infections for. And one of the coolest things I think about our job is that we get to work with every other specialty in the hospital. Infection can be found anywhere within the body, so you really need to build your connections, and it really is a collaboration with the other specialties. I think medicine is the one field where you're taking care of people at the most vulnerable points of their life, and it truly is, I think, an honor, and that's what really drew me into it. My philosophy of care is that I try to meet my patients where they're at, to understand the circumstances that they're in, and at the end of the day that I really just want to do what's best for them and try to take care of them in the best way possible. Here in Franciscan, what I really like is, just the people, everyone that I've, from the beginning of my journey, all the physicians that I work with, all the APPs I work with, the clinical staff, everyone's just been very, very kind. They've been very easy to work with. Everyone's been very helpful. And I think that's just a reflection of Franciscan health, honestly. One thing that I think really helps me take care of myself so I can take care of my patients is just being able to spend 30 minutes a day being able to move my body in one way or another. In the mornings I wake up pretty early, a little bit before 5, and I try to get a workout in. Some other things, I love to try new cuisines, and I like to travel as much as I possibly can. So a piece of advice that I would give my patients, or just any patient in general, would be is to ask questions. If you need some clarification or if you're still confused, please ask questions. So our purpose, our goal is to be able to take care of you. If you're not feeling comfortable about something or if you're not understanding something, then please feel free, just ask questions.